Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'd love to give you a tour of my cabin on the Star Princess. My husband and I are extremely happy with our cabin. The bathroom is a really great size with plenty of storage, as well as the glass shower door. It is so nice to have that instead of a shower curtain. And the closet and drawers are really great for storing all of our things. Our luggage easily slips under the bed, and the sofa that is so cozy is really great to sit on to watch TV. We can see the TV really nicely from the bed or from the sofa. And the desk and vanity area are so nice to have to get a little bit of work done or just to put makeup on. This bar area is so nice to have for extra storage, and of course the refrigerator down below. This side table right by the sofa can be easily moved anywhere around the room, and this chair as well. This cozy headboard is really great if you want to sit up and watch TV in bed or even have breakfast in bed. This full-length mirror is really wonderful. It is so great to have this when you're getting dressed and getting ready to go out for the day. All in all, there isn't anything I would change about this cabin. This stateroom is so nice and comfortable and light and bright. We really have enjoyed this space. Emergency directions are on the back of your stateroom door. One thing to keep in mind, these are open shelves right inside your front cabin door. If your room storage is in your room and cleaning or prepping anything in your room, These open shelves can easily be seen from the hallway. So you want to be careful about what you put on there. You don't want to put personal items or things that are messy because anybody walking by can see these shelves from your blocked open cabin door.